Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a navigation menu into your site on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be doing this in two parts. One is going to be through actually creating the menu, and the second is going to be adding it through the editor. Now, what we need to do first is we're going to need to go over and go into Appearance. Here you need to click on Menus, and once you do, as you can see, you'll get this here, page. Now we're just going to add our menu name, just going to name it test, and now you just need to click create menu. This will create a new menu, and now you just have to click on the pages that you want. For example, in my case, I'll select FAQ, quiz, and test, and then I'll click add to menu, and then that's going to add it to the menu, as the name suggests. And there we go. We can just click save menu from here, and that should save any changes. So let's just wait for a second. And now the menu has been updated. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into one of our pages and we're going to edit it through the editor. For example, let's go to our landing page, click edit. And once we're here, we're going to be adding a block, which is called navigation. And as you can see, we have it over here, so just drag it over here and drop it. And as you can see, for some reason, it shows me all of my pages that currently exist. I'm not sure why this is not linked to my menu as it should be. For some reason, not really sure why. But this is pretty much how you add your menu. This is what your menu is going to look like. I would recommend just deleting the pages you don't want to be indexed on this if you can't get it to work like I can't. However, if you can get it to work, I would appreciate you guys telling us in the comments. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.